This is my paternal great-grandmother. She died in 1937. This is a painting of her from 1918. And one of her sons painted this painting. He was a famous portrait artist. And my bird, I had a bird. It was a hawk, a sparrow hawk. And it went poo right here. And the poo went down here and damaged the painting. And then I put a hole in it. This is her with her husband and her children. And this is her very first grandson, my Uncle Ted. So he was born in 1910, so this is probably from 1913 or so.
Same clothing. This clothing.
And if you look closely, right here, this is her shirt. Look, she's got the same shirt in this picture.
Then you'll feel better. Put the lime in the coconut. Drink 'em both. Put the lime in the coconut and call me in the morning. Ooh, if there's nothing you can take, I said, ooh, to relieve your belly ache, I said, ooh, if there's nothing you can take, I said, lime in the coconut, lime in the coconut. She called it Dr. Rokimuch, I said, doctor, if there's nothing I can take, I said, doctor, to relieve this belly ache, I said, doctor, is there nothing I can take? I said, doctor, now let me get this straight. You put the lime in the coconut, you drink 'em both together. Put the lime in the coconut, you drink 'em both up. Put the lime in the coconut, you drink 'em both up. Put the lime in the coconut, just such a silly woman. In the coconut and drink 'em both together. Put the lime in the coconut, then you'll feel better. Put the lime in the coconut, drink 'em both up. Put the lime in the coconut and call me in the morning. Ooh, if there's nothing you can take, I said, ooh, to relieve your belly ache, I said, ooh, if there's nothing I can take, I said, doctor. Lime in the coconut, she called it Dr. Rokimuch, I said, doctor, if there's nothing I can take, I said, doctor, to relieve this belly ache, I said, doctor, is there nothing I can take, I said, doctor, now let me get this straight, you put the lime in the coconut, you drink 'em both together. Put the lime in the coconut, you drink 'em both up. Put the lime in the coconut, you drink 'em both up. Put the lime in the coconut, just such a silly woman. In the coconut and drink 'em both together. Put the lime in the coconut, then you'll feel better. Put the lime in the coconut, drink 'em both up. Put the lime in the coconut and call me in the morning. Ooh, if there's nothing you can take, I said, ooh, to relieve your belly ache, I said, ooh, if there's nothing I can take, I said,
Now this is my grandfather here, Eglamont. This is his wife, my grandmother, and look what she's staring at. She's staring at her very first son. Ha ha ha. Isn't she proud of her son, my Uncle Ted? So thank you, wife, for fixing my picture.